for Bachelorette. Battler.øetlol. Okay, we got that one.
Hell emoji grin all.
Don't be so crude.
Fight.
Shit, ja. I'm on the west side. I just wanna be. I just wanna see. I'm on the west side. I wanna be west side. Indeed. I am Bavarian. Shut the fuck up, I don't know what the hell you're talking anyway, just as no. I'm prepared here, hello town, your mom. I'm not in the fire, I don't want to be. I'm on the west side, and I wanna get side. I've been just a kid, and I just want to be with. I'm on the west side, on the south side.
Get down.
Yeah.
Ganbat Maz you.
Gambar are. Over that information of trophies you sending me without 50 living towers and a single tower challenge. Tower challenge, okay. Win the tower challenge. Crack, mate. That is beast.
Tremor. Goro.
This is not fucking fair.
Headed for a fall, Goro.
I am coming over by drinking.
I'm gonna punch you in your fucking balls.
Round.
That's nice. Thank you very much. Have fun. Oh. Peek off. I'm going to shit out. Dump up. Electrified. Was ist das denn tun?
Hope someone got a shot of that.
Round 2. Fight.
Well, you learn to drive. I'm a toilet, I'm sinking, I'm just having a little business deal done with fishy. I'll be right back. Mach mal die Musik ein bisschen lauter oder so. Maybe I just can be a slave to yourself.
Finish me.
I'll be back.
I'd frame that.
Johnny Cage wins.
You making a picture? Not well. It's your next one. Come on. Believe me, you're a little bit in the shadow. I just need to drink a little beer. That graphic of sweat. Oh my god. There's no god.
Headed for a fall, Goro.
Oh, exactly.
Shokan have yam sacks, right?
Round 1. Fight.
Yeah. was his super move? Alright, here we go.
Round 2, fight.
Disappearing! Son of a mother. Good night.
You will die, honor.
Good night.
Goro wins.
So ein Zufall. Was ist dann da wieder los? Ist halt einfach Sonntag, ne? Okay. Watch out, your health. Kisui
This
Kana.
must be Kintaro.
You wanna die or just get bruised?
There is a yellow stripe down your back.
Round 1, fight. Round 2,
Seeing different sides on you. Have a bad day. Have a nice bad day.
Goro wins.
Good. Fine. Next. Oh, this is bull crap.
We meet again. And I will crush you again. You will die, an arrogant fool. Round 1, fight. Round 2, fight.
You're not survive this.
Finish him. Goro
cheap session. You are a magician, right?
The Shokan Prince. You brought ruin to Outworld. And now to you. Round 1, fight. You will die, honor.
Taste your death. I am master of combat.
Finish him.
Son of a hell. It's killing with me. Good night.
Wins. Fatality.
My ass off, you son of a bitch. Rising.
Goro. Do you harbor Shokan?
What is your problem? It is time to beat you up. Again. Your magic deals nothing done with me. Let's seal down. Lost over. Your soul is mine. Redirected this ambition så shadow-like. Gut für alle. Du schon wieder. Du kleine Geburt.
Not yet. Round one, fight. For the Shogun! Taste your death! Round two, fight!
Dieses Stück Scheiße. Ich werde dich reptilitieren. Stück mieses, verdammtes kleines Ding. Na, mach doch, Junge.
Finish him!
Schluck Wasser, Junge.
Goro wins.
Schwarze Wolken werden über dir hausen. Wo waren wir? Wo sind wir stehen geblieben?
Sub-Zero, let's talk.
That
Welcome back to
opportunity has
Mortal
passed.
Kombat.
Got a new plan, Cage?
You could have followed the old one, Jin.
At
You're gonna catch
Sorry.
hell if you kill us.
where the fuck
Yes.
was you?
I suppose so.
Piece of crack.
Sure, Dang Jin.
That worked?
Jesse.
This was all a
training exercise.
damn. I should have seen it.
You and your friends show much
Long
promise,
wellness.
Cassandra Cage. But until you function as one, you will fall short.
Nobody cares on the shit.
So other than that, you enjoyed your visit?
The Lin Kuei shredded us.
You maybe.
I see plenty of frozen boot prints on your ass, too.
Don't be
Come on
low.
now. You're all winners in my book.
Hey,
New orders from General Blade. Priority 1. Outworlders. Here in Earthrealm. An invasion?
Couldn't be.
You're not afraid, are you, Mr. Cage? Outworlders?
she's so
I can
cute.
handle.
Like a little kitty cat. Your father, eh?
So when did they show up?
The portal opened by the docks a few hours ago.
Nearly 5,000 in all. Refugees from the Outworld Civil War.
Must be bad if they risk coming to Earth.
Oh gosh.
After you.
Sir? Son? Hey!
Do not dwell on your encounter with the Lin Kuei, son.
Pretty hard not to.
Yippee-ki-yay! That's a pound. I like. Nani?
Thanks, Kenshi. Could you and Mr. Cage join us? Sergeant Cage, you and your team as you were.
This is Li Mei. She seeks asylum for her people in Earthrealm.
Our village, Sundo, was the epicenter of a fierce battle. We barely escaped with our lives.
Such is war. I mean, no offense, but you Outworlders kind of live for that, right?
This was different. The rebels, Melina, had a weapon unlike anything.
Bullshit.
Entire battalions erased. It was not honorable, not combat.
Tell me more about the weapon.
A talisman, gold, with a center jewel. Melina wields its crimson energy without precision.
Well, that's good then.
Not now, Sergeant Cage.
It is enough that she possesses it. It turns the tide in her favor. The Emperor grows desperate, and those caught in the middle pay the price.
I'm in charge here.
If this
and
talisman
I don't
is what
care.
I suspect it to be, we may all pay a price.
For the university.
Shinnok's amulet?
Can't be. The
Wolves,
base, the vault,
galaxy,
your wardings, SF, Shaolin, no
realms.
way anyone can get past all that.
I must be certain.
Knowledge, yes.
Well, this is cozy.
Father, shut the fuck.
You remind me of
Differences,
an Earthrealmer who
eh?
crossed over with us. He also found humor in everything.
Handsome guy, right?
He was an Earthrealmer. One of his eyes glowed red.
What does she mean?
Kenshi, continue with Li Mei. I'm going to the refugee camp. Gotta get to him before he finds a way out.
I'll come with.
Go get an update on camp security from Colonel Flagg.
Why?
Because then you won't be here.
You deal up this shit. I'm okay.
Are we with you?
No. I need to confirm with Kotal Khan that Li Mei's story is true. You and your team are going to Outworld.
Mother, hell. Real?
I don't know. I expected the sky to be purple or something.
Don't believe everything you see online.
And what makes you an expert?
The Shaolin archives. I studied a lot about Outworld.
No substitute for experience.
So what makes you our leader?
Guys, let's stick to the mission.
Thank you.
Li Mei has to be telling the truth. An invasion would violate the Reiko Accords.
You can always trust an Outworlder.
Always so
Outworlds are
difficult.
why didn't they help us during the Netherrealm War? Against Quan Chi and his team of...
Revenants? Like Jackie's dad?
Asshole.
I'm sorry.
It's not an alliance. Non-aggression pact. Outworld is not our ally.
A point you might make with more subtlety, given your surroundings.
And here we got our enemies
Now state
already.
your business, including a reason why we shouldn't kill you.
I can read you. You're not from Outworld.
I'm from Earthrealm, like you. But my employer, Kotal Khan, is from Outworld. So now I'm from Outworld. State your business.
We're emissaries. We need to talk to Kotal Khan. Here, we have Raiden's official seal.
Nothing
I can
good.
buy one of those at that stall right over there.
Look, you can arrest us, even kill us. But if we're telling the truth, you probably get a pay cut. Or worse.
That's good.
You take us to the con, I'll tell him you took us down. Maybe you get a bonus.
Or I'll take you down.
Follow me.
In these times of war, We are required to view every resource as a weapon for our Emperor to use at his discretion. To take without his leave is to steal from the hand of Kotal Khan himself. Therefore, having been found guilty of theft, you shall be put to death.
I was hungry.
Your sentence will be carried out immediately.
Death? For petty theft?
Remember where you are.
You're an outworld. This is not you. You try to shoot my friend? These stupid decisions. Na gut. Dann soll es so sein. Aber erst muss ich pissen. Was denn? Das würde in Deutschland nicht funktionieren. Katze. Das ist auch 7. Wie war das nochmal? Das geht nicht auf. Das ist wieder Spargel. Ein Stück Scheiße. Oh, was ist das? Meditieren. Deine Mutter vielleicht. Reißen! Dafür ist mal ein Haufen Scheiße drin. Ich am Arsch. So, da machen wir den Fisch an. Die 100. Oh, wie der. Mal raus mit euch. Glasplatten. Dass ich nicht lache. Habt Spaß? 170. 200, ja, alles klar. Was war das? Was willst du? Meine Freundin oder so. Mach mal. Ich kann dazu. Ich sollte eigentlich bei Twitch sein. Da schauen 20 Leute zu. Geht halt nicht, ne? YouTube. Ein Witz deines Lebens, du schaust dir selber nur zu. Machen wir doch. Twitch. Mag mal. Drauf geschissen auf den Livestream. YouTube ist eh echt für den Arsch.